Got a little bit of an Amazon unboxing today. So we're gonna take a look, see what's inside. Alright, here's our empty open box. Thank you, Amazon, for being awesome. So inside the box we have these zipper pulls from Chums. You can see right there. And I will show you what I'm going to do with these. Alright, surely y'all remember my friend, the Ribz Pack. From an earlier video of mine, I showed it to you, and in that video I had mentioned that the zippers on these had zipper pulls, and my dog got excited about beef jerky in the pocket and shoot them off. So we're gonna try out these Chums zipper pulls and see how they do. Alright, so here's our little Zipquix zipper tie. And I think you can see here it's got kind of this cool little textured end piece, and that really does grab onto your finger real nice. Looks like it's got about 2 inches of cordage here. And let's try to put it on. Alright, so it says thread loop through. We'll bring it back down through the zipper. Alright, tuck it in on itself. And give it a pull. And just like that, we are back in business. Sweet deal. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, but y'all get the idea here. Okay, so Zipquix zipper pulls. I will put the price up here somewhere for you to see. I can't remember exactly what it is. I purchased these off of Amazon, and they seem like they're gonna work awesome. Bye bye.